Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this episode or in this video, I want to share with you about my family vacation to Ähtäri, Finland. Ähtäri is a small town and a municipality in the southern Ostrobothnia of Finland. It is a very beautiful place to visit with your kids. They will love it. They have different kinds of animals. We had fun. So when we got there, this was in the morning, we found this beautiful panda. This panda was so big. They have two big beautiful pandas. One is named Lumi and the other one is named Pyry. And this one here is Lumi. On the other side, just over the fence, is Pyry. After eating, the panda, this Lumi, she goes out to look around. Everywhere there is barricaded. So the panda goes out, come back in. The door is automated. A lot of people were hanging up there watching. The kids were screaming all over the place. Everybody is so happy to see this beautiful panda. This is my first time of seeing panda live. I was so happy. I was fuming and fuming and fuming. So this is the panda moving around, doing its own thing, sitting, rolling and just being happy. Such a happy panda. So this is on the other end, you see. The panda went to the back side again, just move around and comes in. So this is the other panda, the Pyry. So Pyry is here eating breakfast and enjoying himself. Look at how cute this panda is. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful to see these things. This is what the back view looks like. So this is like a playground for the panda. If you have a look, if you give it a deep look, you see the panda there doing its own thing. So from the panda side, we walked down to the reindeer. So this is a reindeer. Is well barricaded. We are quite far from where the reindeer was kept. So we saw this one. So we moved to where they kept the white-tailed deer. They had a handful of white-tailed deer in this side. It was well barricaded, so I assume they are dangerous. So I was afar, zooming and fuming. So from there, we moved to where they kept bears. I think they had a couple of them, very big and heavy. Oh, this was my first time of seeing a bear also live and direct, and I was so happy. They were moving around. They looked so peaceful. Everywhere was clean. Where they were kept was clean. It was giving this good nature and natural vibe. I loved it. I love what I saw. So I turned around the other end to have a good look. I think they were in a happy mood. They were playing and moving around. It was such a good view. So take a look and enjoy the view as well. So this is also the bear. Look, this is a yak. They had a very big yak as well in the zoo, and it was very nice to see. I've never seen these animals in my life. I've never seen any of these animals. So I was so happy. I was so happy to be in this zoo. They had different things. I lost a lot of videos. I had a lot of videos, but I lost a lot of them. I was able to get this one. I put them together to make this video for you all to see. So here they had snakes, like reptiles. They have reptiles here. They had a frog. They had worms, a lot of things. They had a lot of things, fishes in this section. This section is like in a warm place. It's quite cool. So from there, we moved to where they kept the snow leopard. So it's somewhere there. I had to zoom. It's far away from where we were standing, but it's somewhere there. I didn't see it. So it was good to see. Ähtäri is a very lovely place to be at. So if you have the time to come to Finland, go to Ähtäri and enjoy the scenery they have there. Thank you all for watching. See you again in my next video. Bye.